Henan Jiuling Machinery Equipment Company Limited is located in Jingzhou City, Henan Province. We are a modern enterprise focusing on the research, development, promotion and sales of organic fertilizer, compound fertilizer and liquid fertilizer production equipment. Our company has built a standardized heavy industrial plant of 16,000 square meters. At the same time, we have introduced internationally advanced CNC processing centers, laser cutting machines and other large and medium-sized metal processing equipment, which provides a strong guarantee for the company's product quality and development. Our company adheres to the concept of using technology to benefit the people of the world. Pace